Part B of question 9 from the May 2022 CSEC Mathematics past paper. It says here, from a port L, ship R is 250 kilometers on a bearing of 065 degrees. You write bearings with 3 digits. That's why you have 065 degrees. Ship T is down here, is 180 kilometers from L on a bearing of 148 degrees. This information is illustrated in the diagram below. What they say you must do? Complete the diagram above by inserting the value of angle RLT. So calculate RT, the distance between the two ships. Right. I already copied parts of the question and put them over here. Alright. So what it says here, you must put in the value of RLT. I want you to pause the video and do that for me. Also, calculate RT, the distance between the two ships. Do these and then continue the video and see what happens. Alright, you pause. What did you get for the answers? Let's see. So here, ship T is 180 kilometers from L. Oh, ship R from L, ship R is 250. Let's look at that. RLT. We're going to do that later on, but we have to put in the thing there, the bearings. So the bearings, the bearing of R from L. From L means you're going to draw the arc at L. Alright, and put the value there. It's 065 degrees. So it's 065 degrees here. Alright? Now, remember the angle they want is RLT. So RLT would be this angle here. That's the angle they want. Well, let's see something here now. You have to have some other angle in order to do the calculation. They say T is 180 kilometers from N on a bearing of 148. So T from L. You have the straight line already joining L and T. It says from L. So you have another arc at L. So this angle here is going to be, what they say, 148. So this is 148 degrees. 148 you have here. Alright? Now, let's just remove this part of the angle here, this arc here, and put it somewhere else. Put it here. This is the angle we're trying to find out. Notice here that 65 is from here to here. 148 is all the way around here. So therefore, this angle will be the difference between 65 and 148. So we're going to subtract them. 148 minus 65. Let's see now. 8 minus 5, that's 3. As they say, you borrow one from this. You have this 14 minus 6. That's 8. So this angle, the bearing is 0.83 degrees. Alright? 83. So that's the angle RLT. You see that? After that, let's say calculate RT. RT. Now, I don't think we're going to need certain things here in the calculation. So let's get rid of them. I don't want the screen to be too crowded with numbers. The 83, let's put it closer to here. 0.83 degrees. I didn't bother to put in the degree sign. You should put it in the exam, but let's say I don't want too many things on the screen at the same time. So here now, you're going to calculate RT. Now, first of all, do not assume that this is a right angle triangle. So you cannot use the sine equal opposite over hypotenuse and the cosine equal adjacent over hypotenuse and the tan equal opposite over adjacent. Can't use those. You cannot use Pythagoras theorem. Right? You only use those if you're told it is a right angle triangle, or you calculate and prove that it is a right angle triangle, but don't assume. Here. Now, let's go to our formula sheet, because what you're going to use is sine and cosine rule. Alright? Let's just copy those rules and put them over here. Let's paste it here. So now, remember this thing here that you have, this triangle that you have here in the diagram. It says, I know the sine rule won't work. You could try the sine rule if you want with this. But once you have two sides and an angle between them, the sine rule will not work. So we have to just use this, the cosine rule. It says, first of all, you have big uppercase A, the angle. Lowercase a is the side opposite to the angle. Uppercase B, the angle up here. Lowercase b, the side opposite to angle B. Then you have uppercase C, the angle here, and lowercase c, the side opposite to it. Alright? You have a squared, lowercase a squared equal b squared plus c squared minus 2bc, cos of angle A. Now let's apply it to this. Let us make up some letters here. Let's say this is angle A. You could have used L, but since the cosine rule has A, B, and C, let us say this is our A, uppercase B, uppercase C. Those are our angles. Lowercase a would be here, lowercase b would be here, lowercase c would be here. Alright? And the cosine rule says a squared equal b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of uppercase A. So let's put those in our calculations. A squared, whatever that is, you don't know it, that's what you want to calculate, equal b squared. B is 180, so it's 180 squared, plus c squared is 250 squared, minus 2 times b, which is 180, times c is 250, cos angle A, cos 83. So A squared equal, let's do the calculations here. We have our calculator right here. Alright, that big calculator, let us make it smaller. So 180 squared is 32,400, 32,400 plus 250 squared, where did our calculator go? Wait for it. calculator. Alright, 250 squared. So we have our, let's get rid of this, 250 squared equals 62500. 62500 minus 2 by 180 by 250. What does that give us? 2 times 180 times 250. Let's clear this. 2 times 180 times 250 equals 90,000. 90,000 cos 83. You might as well just calculate the cosine of 83 from now. So let's just do that. So I have my calculator in degrees. Cosine of 83 equals 0.121 or 122 when you round it off. So 0.122. When you calculate all of this now, what you're going to have is when you do the calculation, 32400 plus 62500 equals 94900. 94900 minus, after that, let's try that again. So after that, you have 90,000 times, I could have used a 0.122, but let's just, all right, let's go on with the 0.122. 0.122 equal, so it's 10,980. 10,980. 10,980. So a squared equal, and then what you have here is going to be 900 minus 10,980 equals 83,920. So it's 83,920. So A now is the square root of 83,920. What does that give you? A equals, we're going to find the square root of 83,920 now. Square root of that equal what? Square root equal 289.6. Alright, call it 290. Means all the others are to the nearest kilometer. Let's put that as to the nearest kilometer. 290. 290. 290 kilometers. So we have 290 kilometers. Alright? So you see that? All right. Now, here. 290 kilometers for that. Let's go back to our question there and see what else they want us to do. Oh, determine the bearing of T from R. Alright, so we'll do that in our next video.